Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, March 26th, 2020. Happy Thursday! Just a few reminders today. Be sure to watch all of the videos and lessons that we post. They include really important information that will help you complete your work independently. Yesterday, I sent out a few messages in the class story section. Be sure to check back throughout the day for messages and even some helpful videos. Remember to complete the activities for every subject under the portfolio page and under that subject. Please check your activities after you submit your work for corrections and other messages from your teachers. Do not rush through your assignments and remember to independently read daily for at least 30 minutes. If you've read all of your books in your book baggies, please log on to Myon and/or RazKids. If you need your login information, just message your teachers. We will be available to answer any questions and comment on your work up until 2:30 p.m. We will be unavailable to respond to you from 12:45 to 1:35. You guys are doing such a great job. We're so proud of you. And just to have a little fun, we're going to play Throwback Thursday. Comment below for your favorite Throwback Thursday memory from this school year. Happy learning!